In this video, we're diving into how to set up custom fields in Folk CRM, a powerful tool for managing your customer relationships and streamlining your workflow. If you're looking to enhance your CRM experience, stay tuned. This is the guide for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize Folk CRM to fit your needs and get the most out of this software. Folk CRM is a user-friendly tool that allows you to manage contacts and track your communication in a way that works best for your business. One of its standout features is custom fields, which lets you tailor the CRM to capture the data that matters most to you. Whether you're tracking leads, managing projects, or organizing customer feedback, custom fields are a game changer. To get started, you first need to log into Folk CRM and navigate to your contact database. From there, you'll head over to your settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, you'll find the custom fields section. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the custom fields area, you'll be able to add new fields specific to your needs. Whether it's a drop-down list, text input, date picker, or even a checkbox, Folk CRM offers a variety of field types to choose from. Let's say you want to track a customer's preferred contact time. Simply add a custom field with a drop-down menu that allows you to select options like morning, afternoon, or evening. The best part is that custom fields can be applied to any contact or even individual stages within a workflow. This allows you to make the CRM work for you and ensures that you're always collecting the right information without feeling bogged down by unnecessary data. As you add your custom fields, Folk CRM gives you the flexibility to organize them into groups. This can be especially useful when you're working with different types of clients or projects. For instance, you might have a group for customer details, one for project milestones, and another for sales pipeline stages. By grouping your fields, you'll keep your CRM tidy and efficient, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for when you need it. After creating your custom fields, don't forget to update your contact records. You can fill in these custom fields manually, or if you're importing contacts from other systems, make sure the data aligns with the fields you've set up. If you're wondering about automation, don't worry, Folk CRM supports this too. Once your custom fields are set up, you can automate actions based on the data entered. For example, if a contact's custom field is marked with urgent, you can trigger a notification to your team to follow up immediately. It's all about making your workflow more efficient. Now, if you want to explore Folk CRM even further, the good news is that you can start using the software completely free by signing up through the link below. Not only will you get access to all these features, but we've also got some exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up today. To wrap up, setting up custom fields in Folk CRM is a simple but powerful way to customize your CRM experience and take control of your customer data. You can use custom fields to track any kind of information you need and organize it in a way that suits your business. Whether you're in sales, project management, or customer support, this feature can help you work smarter, not harder. Remember, you can use Folk CRM for free with our extended trial, so be sure to check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to explore more of what Folk CRM can do to make your life easier.